Hi, this is Jason Daniels, broker owner of RE/MAX Millennium, and today I wanted to talk a little bit about a question that agents have, especially newer agents, is should I use scripts? And there's kind of two sides to that. Yes, you should use scripts, but do you need to sound canned? No. It's really important that you learn scripts because basically real estate's boiled down to a couple different processes in buying a home or selling a home, and the average consumer is going to have the same questions and the same objections based on what you're doing, whether you're buying or selling a home. There's only so many questions and objections that can come up. Now, you're going to get occasional some that you've never dealt with, but for the majority of them, there's a lot of professionals in the industry that have developed scripts and dialogues that you can use to address these objections and concerns when working with a client. And I believe it's our professional duty to focus on understanding our clients' needs, and by learning and soaking in scripts and dialogues, we can think about the client when they're talking to us. So yeah, it seems kind of automatic. As long as we practice those, then we can listen to the actual client's needs instead of trying to fumble and think about what we're going to say next. So there's scripts I recommend. If you'd like to get a copy of some of the scripts that we use, please click the link below and schedule a consultation or reach out to me. But again, it's important to do that. Our team, we practice scripts on a daily basis. Monday through Friday before we call people. There's scripts for past clients, there's scripts for expireds, for sale by owners, scripts for just about anything. There's scripts for objections and when you're dealing with inspections and negotiating inspections with the other agent. Also different scripts for just negotiating contract. And then again, all the scripts with our clients. So again, we don't want it to be robotic, like you're not speaking like you normally speak. Usually we recommend you learn the script and then keep the key elements the same, but then feel like it's coming just from you, so people aren't thinking you're walking around reading out of a manual or when you're talking on the phone. So again, they're very useful depending on how you practice them and take them in, and the clients will know that you know what you're talking about when you are able to answer their objections in a professional manner. So I do believe it'll help us look more professional, and you'll have more success in converting your clients. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Click below if you'd like to schedule a consultation. Thank you.